What's up, everyone? Welcome to Dinner Time with Chef Ed Harris. All right, super. All right, um, super. All right, um, hold on. What's that? Yeah, we good. All right. What's up? All right, dinner time. Just finalizing everything. How you doing? Good evening, Mr. Hunt. What's up? Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. All right. Gotta make sure we can see what's going on, right? Adjust this. There we go. All right, I think that's a little better, right? Get this out of the way. All right, let's do this. All right, hello, how are you? Hello. Good to see you. All righty. Snagglepuss even. All right, let's serve up some yummies. Brace yourself. Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Oh my goodness, these people. What's up, people? Welcome. So, it's dinner time, like the live says, and we're just about to plate up some yummy plant-based goodness. All right. So for those of you who are plant-based or want to be more plant-based, then this is the life for you. All right. Pin your goal so more viewers may notice it. Okay, let's try that, shall we? What's up, people? Yeah, man. How's everybody doing? So,
This is so cool.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Peace and love. All right. So the whole goal is to do these lives where I can just show you the things that I do for my plant-based meals, right? For my family. It's 5 of us. So I am always cooking either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Like I'm always in the kitchen, right? So I always have to find things to make that are really delicious because my kids love to eat very much. So, and so do I. I love food. So, I'm always cooking, things that I find creative and, things that are not boring and bland. You know what I mean? Because the word on the street is when you're plant-based or you're vegan, it's a lot of bland food and, that's far from it. You know what I mean? So I'm here to tell you that there's all kinds of different things you can do to make really tasty food. So today I made a coconut pumpkin soup, right? Coconut pumpkin soup with a bunch of different things in it, right? So we have tofu skins, right? We have string beans, we have potatoes, we have carrots, fresh pumpkin, lots of garlic, ginger, right? Really tasty stuff, you know what I mean? And we also have some plant roast that I make as well from scratch, right? So this is like our meat, alternative, right? Our meat substitute, if you may. And then I steamed some rice as well. So the goal is to, yeah. So the goal is to, just do tasty food, right? So we're doing the rice on the bottom. It's in the shop thing. I guess if you look, I'm still figuring out TikTok.
No, you have to pin.
Guys, bear with me. I'm still really new to TikTok, so don't mind me. But I have my apron in the shop. Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. Look at that. Look at you. It's not your first day, is it?
No, sir.
But it might be your last here in this kitchen.
You see yourself.
So back yourself up. All right. Okay, so yeah. So a little bit of steamed rice, all right, to go with this delicious big pot of soup that I have here. So I'm gonna just put this to the side. So it's nice and thick. It was cooked nice and slow. The whole idea. Oh, I forgot to tell you. You know what else is in there? There is barley, which is an amazing which is an amazing grain, right? Not even grain. That like, is it a grain? Is it a bean? Is it a legume? It's right in the middle there somewhere, right? So there's barley in here too, and there's black eyed peas. So there's some really delicious stuff going on in this soup. So I can't wait for you to see it. So the other beautiful thing about when you're cooking is the way you plate your food, right? It's super, super important. You want to make sure that when you're doing it, like it actually looks presentable because people eat with their eyes. So if you're busy making your food and then when it's done, it doesn't look appetizing, then, you know, it's a little bit more difficult for people to want to try it, right? Just remember that when you are cooking, all right? Super, super important. And then remember that when you're plating, right? So, for my people watching, any questions about being plant based is one of the reasons why I do this live. So, I can be someone to help you with the questions that you might have. Right? Okay. We need a big spoon for this big pot of soup. All right. Wait till you see what's going on in here. Look at this. Right? Look at that. Look how that looks. Delicious. Delicious. So there's spaghetti, because like I'm from the Caribbean, right? So in the Caribbean, we have a pumpkin soup that everybody makes. And basically, they put little pieces of pasta in it, like spaghetti in it. So, I made this one from scratch. But if you're in any kind of international supermarket, you will see that there's packets of pumpkin soup that you can buy, and everything is dry, right? So you would just have to add the liquid, and then make it. But it comes with the noodles in it, right? So that's what this is. Yummy. Get some string beans in there, right? And then all of the beans, all of the barley, which is super healthy and super good for you, all that's on the bottom. So that's the soup right there, right? Lots of flavor, packed with tons of nutritional value, and I'm telling you, super tasty. The coconut milk adds a nice, creamy, buttery touch to it. You know what I mean? We have potatoes, we have carrots, we have string beans, we have English peas, we have pumpkin, coconut milk, some allspice, because like I said, I'm from the Caribbean, so, we really have to, pay that homage to where I'm from. So this is what we're having for dinner, people. Oh man, I'm like salivating. I can't wait to eat. All right, people. It's almost time for me to go so I can eat. But for those of you watching, if you're trying to be more plant-based or you're already plant-based and you just need a little bit more help, I have an amazing guide in my bio that gives you really great information. And I'm talking the information in there. It's a PDF, a free PDF. There is, you all right? There is, in the PDF, there's tons of resources. Plus we already have added to the PDF, there's a masterclass that I did on how to be more plant-based. So that is part of it as well. So make sure if you need some help being more plant-based, then you definitely want to check that out. The link is in my bio. It's 100% free. All right, I'm finishing this off with some fresh basil, some scallions on top, just to bring everything together really nicely. But yeah, this is what we're eating for dinner. Join me tomorrow to see what else I'm making for dinner, right? Every day I'm going to come on here, I'm going to show you what I'm doing for dinner, just to give you ideas of what you can do for dinner yourself. You know what I mean? So for those of you that just joined, I made a steamed jasmine rice and then a soup to go with it. It's a coconut pumpkin soup. All right, there is pumpkin, carrots, corn, string beans, English peas, potatoes, lots of yummy stuff. Black eyed peas, yes, and barley. Thank you very much, ladies. Right, I have my team helping me out. So this is what we're having for dinner, right? Look at it. Super delicious. Super, super delicious. All right. Wifey's coming to taste test, so I'm gonna give her a little extra piece of, loving right there.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're so welcome. You're so welcome. All right, you want to get a spoon?
I sure do. I sure do.
All right, enjoy. All right. So yeah, people. I mean, sure. Go ahead.
I'm tasting it for the people.
You do your thing, girl. You do your
For the
thing.
people. For the people.
It's hot. The block is hot.
The block is hot. I'll be honest.
It's not that hot.
Okay.
Go for it.
Oh man,
It's good.
it's delicious. So
It's hearty.
I love the coconut.
Yes, it's just enough, right?
This is delicious.
Thank you, sweetheart. All right, people. If you like my apron, you can get it. It's pinned. It's in the shop. It's knife and spoon. I do them myself. They're really nice and long. All right, so they go all the way down, right past my knees. I sure did. Jumping like Mike.
And I show people that
Still got it, right? This almost 50-year-old. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. Like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna do another dinner. So you can join me every week, every day, basically, right? Monday to Friday, I'm gonna go live and you're gonna see what I'm having for dinner with my family, all right? So you can get some amazing ideas and just see what's possible. Cool? Until next time, peace.